The folks over at Mufntop sent me this portable mattress so I could test it out and see if it really is the greatest portable sleep of your life. Well, we spent the last 2 weeks with this roll-up bed, and so far, we love it. It's quick and easy to roll out this mattress for some comfy, luxury reading time, cozy family movie nights, or even taking it on a camp out, or should I say, glamp out. I love being outside, exploring, and camping, but I've struggled to find a great sleep solution when I'm tent camping. This ready-to-roll mattress beats an air mattress hands down. It's quicker and easier to set up. It's lightweight. It's extremely portable, and it does take up a little space than other camping solutions. But the fact that it's so quick and easy to roll out and roll up makes it a great solution for sleeping in the great outdoors. Plus, it's not going to leak, and it's made of memory foam. Did I mention it's comfortable? The covers come in these cute and cool patterns, and they're designed to take off, so they're machine washable, which is pretty awesome. We totally love these muffin tops, and we'll probably have to complete our set for a whole family. I can't wait for the next sleepover, backyard movie, and camping trip to roll them out. In fact, I think I'll go ahead and make some hot cocoa, roll it out, and cozy up with a good book.